You know who it's from?
No.
It's from Aunt Lisa, Uncle Dan, Alyssa, and Naomi.
What is it?
I don't know. Can you open it up?
Yeah, what? Weird. What is
Wait,
it?
Al. Let Avery open it.
Look. It's a new cup.
Yeah.
Yeah. Who's on there?
Princess.
Yeah, that's Princess Ariel.
Let's see.
Okay, let's see what else is in there.
Look.
What's that? Oh my gosh, how cute!
Wait, Al. Let Avery do it.
You want to see the cup though? Oh my gosh, look, that's for your feet. It's Tinkerbell slippers. That's just thunder. It's okay.
It's a.
Yeah. You want to try them on your feet?
Mm-hmm.
Elle wants to wear them. They're so pretty.
Look.
Oh my gosh, what is it?
I don't know.
Okay, hold it up for mommy. Here, hold it for mommy. Not in front of your face, right like this. Right there. Good. There, let's see what it is. I see. Who is that?
I don't know. Think about it.
Yeah, I knew who it was.
Mommy.
Oh,
Mommy.
what's that? Oh my gosh. Look how cute. Oh, it's a little skirt. Okay. What do you say? No, it's excuse me. Oh my goodness. Look how pretty. Oh, you're so pretty. Let mommy see. Good job. Can you try on your shoes?
Can you say thank you, Avery?
Thank you.
Say thank you, Aunt Lisa. Avery, say thank you, Aunt Lisa. Say thank you, Uncle Dan. Say thank you, Alyssa and Naomi.